some Arcoaire DuraComfort. It's a model that I have yet to see in person until today. Logos are in really good shape on the boat. That one is running. This one's a 2007 3-tone heat pump. It's a reversing valve right there. Focus. This one's running. Doesn't hurt. It's a heat mode. Over here we also have a vintage York Champion heat pump, which has gotten a paint job since the last time I've seen it. Because in street view it's still the original blue color, now it's this green color. Almost looks more like a 60s one than an 80s one. I don't think it's running. No, it hasn't. This is a heat pump. There's the coil down there. It is a 1981 3.5 ton. You can tell by the L is the third digit of the serial number. That's the data that tells you the year. L is 81. Yeah, cool find. Not too many of these tabletops left.